1, 2, 3, intro, and verse. Chorus. And then the verse carries on again as normal. And then the instrumental part goes A minor, D7, G. And the second time it's an E instead of E minor. You'll hear it now. Boom, boom, boom. And then it just carries on. Okay. So, welcome to this tutorial, Jooba people. So nice to be here again and to have this opportunity to do this amazing song. So good. You can download the PDF for this lesson. Okay, you'll see it on screen there. That's got for free. It's got all the chord shapes and all the details about the different sections. It's got the chords and the lyrics. So you can download the PDF. You just have to register on my site. It's free. And then you can just download the PDF. So just make sure to log in or register there, and then you can sing along with the whole song, and all the chords are accurate and at the right places. So in this version, this tutorial, I'm going to show you the basic chords, but also some nice embellishments, like which you can do just with strumming, like that kind of thing, and you know what I mean? So just like some little things that you put inside the easy chords that just makes this, accentuates the melody a little bit and just makes you sound a lot better than somebody who's just playing the plain chords the whole time. Okay, I'm also going to show you some interesting chords like an A minor 11, which is easy to play, but that's what he's playing on the piano in the verse, and not a regular A minor 7. And also, I'm going to show you a little picking pattern at the end, okay, so that you can finger pick this if you wanted to, and then, but it's not going to be the I'm not going to teach you that. I will do a separate tutorial where I teach you guys that. Okay, so let's jump into the chords shapes that he uses in the song. So obviously it's a piano song, so these chords are adapted for guitar. A minor 7. Okay, we got capo on the 1st fret, and we've got an A minor 7 here. Okay, so a regular A minor would be like that, and then you just take the ring finger off to get the A minor 7, and you strum from the 5th string down. If you accidentally hit the 6th string, it's not a problem, but you want to strum from the 5th string down. And then you keep the index finger here, just take your ring finger down, or middle finger down, and put your ring finger here, and then you have the next chord, which is a D7. So you got M. Okay, and then you've got a G chord, which you can play any way you want, but I've chosen to go with this voicing, and then an E minor chord. You can also play the E minor with these 2 fingers here if you wanted to. It doesn't really matter, depending on the sound that you like. The other chord that we're going to use is a G/F sharps. to get to the E minor sometimes. So G, and then you just put this finger at the top on the 2nd fret to get the G over F sharp. Okay, then some advanced chords I'm quickly going to go over. 3rd fret here with the index finger on the 2nd string, and then these two on the 5th fret. This is an A minor 11. He sometimes uses this instead of the A minor 7. But you can use an A minor 7, you don't have to use the A minor 11. And then an E chord, which they use in the bridge, the instrumental. And then this funky D7, which is going to be at the 7th fret, relative to the capo. So that would be 7th fret without the capo. So this they use on the way to the chorus. Not essential, but it does sound good. Okay, so let's start with the intro of the song. And for the strumming, we're just going to stick with down strums for now. So just 2 down strums per chord. I'm adding a little bit of an extra strum, which you can follow along with if you want. That's all that he does for the intro, the chords. So let's quickly do a picking pattern here for the intro. You could do like with the song, what's that song? Hallelujah, something like that. You could do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's one picking pattern that you can do. It's just from the thumb, and you start on the root notes of the chords. So the A minor, you start here and you go bum, 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 bum. And then for the D, you start on the 4th string. And then G, same thing, E minor. Okay. Another picking pattern that you could use is like, just like 2 notes per chord, so root note and then these 2 fingers together, and then and you can add a thumb before the 2 fingers. That's probably closest to what he's doing on the piano, but you can choose. Okay, for the verse, we've got this progression repeating. I'll show you how to do that now at the end of the video. You could do that if you wanted to do the pre-chorus. And then the pre-chorus is just A minor 7. And that's where you could do that. So, but I'll do the embellishments at the end of the video. Okay, let's just get through the song first. Okay, chorus, we've got this progression repeating. So you could do this with a picking, with a one. You could do that all with the simple picking. So there you're gonna have to pick all the strings at the same time. Okay, then you're through the song. All right, so let's quickly look at the embellishments that you can do for the verse. The second time you go through the verse, I'm going to show it to you now. Here it comes. La, 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 la. Da, da, la, 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 la. So you got la. So that's the notes that he's singing. La. And then just to the A minor 7. Okay, and then the second embellishment that I want to show you is on the pre-chorus where you go. Those same notes, E, F sharp, G. La, la, la. And then the same thing on D7. La, la, la. So the pre-chorus is. Now I want to show you just some extra strumming that you can do for down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. I'm just going to write it down here. Down, down. You could do this as a strumming pattern to use in the chorus. So let's just do it on A minor 7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Just to give the song a little bit more of a momentum and just to change it up again. But if you switch between those two picking patterns, the strumming and the more intense strumming, then you can create a really nice dynamic song and just play it like that. Okay, so follow along with this. She'd take the world off my shoulders if it was ever hard to move. She'd turn the rain to a rainbow when I was living in the blue. Why then if she's... Oh, such a good song. I love the song. Have a nice day, guys, and enjoy. Remember, I give private lessons. If you want a private lesson with me, check the link in the description. It's $200 a month and for one lesson a week. Have a nice day. Bye.